everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone white screen of death. When your iPhone doesn't display an icon or application and the screen is completely white, you may encounter the iPhone white screen of death issue. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you should try the triple finger trick. In most cases, this doesn't fix the problem, but what if your device is not stuck on white screen at all? As a matter of fact, sometimes you may just turn on the screen magnification accidentally. That is to say, something white may be zoomed too close, making it similar to a white screen. To fix this issue, simply hold the three fingers at the same time and then double click the screen. This will bring your screen back to normal. If it is magnified, you can also disable the magnification by navigating to settings. Go to settings, next scroll down and go to accessibility and choose zoom. Next tap on the zoom toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is hard reset the iPhone. Generally the simplest step to fix common iPhone problems is to force restart your device, such as iPhone white screen of death or others. Even if you cannot see or touch anything on your screen, this operation can also be carried out. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear, so slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off auto brightness, since some users claim that they succeeded to fix their iPhone white screen of death after they have turned the auto brightness feature off. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility. Then choose display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of auto brightness. Tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is enter into recovery mode. Putting the iPhone into recovery mode could be a feasible solution to make your iPhone go back to normal if the screen is stuck on white. Simply use a cable to connect your iPhone to the computer and then put your phone in the recovery mode. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and press and quickly release the volume down button and press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Keep holding the button until your device enters into the recovery mode. Then choose the restore option to recover your iPhone from backup and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone white screen of death, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.